Hi everyone! I'm going to reveal the first ever Venture mystery box. It's called Sweater Weather and it's really gorgeous. It does include a true pink Cricut cutie. Please keep in mind that even if you don't currently have a Venture, you can use these materials with your other machines just by cutting them down to size. So these are really terrific, huge rolls, and I'll show them to you. As always, purchase and discount info is in the description right under this video, so take a look there. I'm sure this mystery box is going to go very quickly because it is the first ever Venture mystery box. And here's the true pink cutie. It's gorgeous. Just love it. So pretty. And I know a lot of you craft with pink and love pink. Here's a gorgeous cutie for you. It's called True Pink. Absolutely gorgeous. We did have it before. It's not the first launch. And it did go very fast. So if you missed it, here's a chance to get one. I'm going to move this away because I need room for these rolls. We have Cricut Smart Vinyl. This is a 2-foot roll. It is 25 inch by 5 feet and the color is red. Next we have 25 inch by 5 feet Cricut Smart Vinyl. Oh, these are removable vinyls in orange. Let's get some more. We have Cricut Smart Vinyl removable, 25 inch by 5 feet in grass green. Aren't these gorgeous? We have Cricut Smart Iron-On, 25 inch by 5 feet in holographic blue. Just gorgeous. This is heat transfer vinyl. And last but not least, we have Cricut Smart Stencil, flexible stencil film, 25 inch by 5 feet, and it's 1 sheet stencil material. And here's the cutie. And this is the Sweater Weather Venture mystery box. I think it's gorgeous and the materials are just beautiful. And as I mentioned, if you don't have a Venture machine, you can just cut them down, split them in half, and you have 2 sheets of 12 inch, or cut them smaller if you need to. And as already mentioned, purchase and discount info is in the description right under this video. I hope you're going to enjoy this mystery box, and thank you for watching.